Spoken English.
Conversation 5. Philip and Andrew. At the cinema.
Hey buddy, at what time the movie will start?
It will start in 15 minutes.
Are you interested in movies?
Yes, I am crazy about.
What kind of movies do you watch more?
It depends on mood.
No, I mean, Bollywood or Hollywood?
Either Bollywood or Hollywood, mostly I would like action movies.
Wow, that's great.
By the way, what sort of movies do you watch more?
I would like Bollywood movies. My favorite actor is Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. If there is a Shah Rukh Khan's movie, I'll be there.
Oh, you're a Shah Rukh Khan's fan.
Yes, of course.
Next time I will join with you to watch Shah Rukh's movie.
That'll be great, my friend. Oh, the movie has begun. Let's watch.
Okay,